first batch, full batch of Sincerely Legenia all-purpose spices, and I am so excited. So I've got my family here to help me. Sanitizing all of the bottles, all the spice bottles. Right now I'm measuring out all of my spices to make sure that I have the same amount of each spice in every single bottle. So I'm measuring out this spice in particular, and then I carry it over into my bowl with all of my spices. And this is one batch of spices. How much does one batch make? This one batch will make 30 bottles, and these are my test bottles that I'm getting ready to send out to all of my influencer friends and family to test it out and yeah, give me their opinions. They're going to send back a feedback card to let me know what they think, what maybe didn't work with the bottle, if the bottle was user friendly, so on and so forth. So this is the very first huge batch of Sincerely Legenia all-purpose spice. So excited. Guys, here is the first batch of my all-purpose seasoning, all ready to go with the safety seal and labels on them and everything. So I'm so excited that I will be sending these out tomorrow, my first test batch, to my influencer friends and family that are going to be tasting the seasoning and yeah, letting me know what they think. So I am really excited about this, guys. Pre-sale will begin on the 1st of July, so be on the lookout for that. And yeah, I'm so excited. Hey guys, so it is a beautiful Saturday, June 19th, 2021, and Angelina and I have been out. We've gotten something to eat at Wingstop and went to Bath and Body Works. You guys saw that. And we have a Costco coming out here. I think I mentioned that in one other video. We finally have a Costco coming to this area, and I've been so excited to finally shop there. So they have these little booths that have been set up pretty much all down the street that they're building the store on. So I went on and stopped and got a membership for my household, and I'm so excited. Yeah, so we can actually start shopping online now. I just got our Costco membership, and so we are now members of Costco. So now I'll be having a lot of wonderful recipes and foods coming from Costco. It's going to open in July 21st, right? On July 22nd is when the store is going to open. So anyway, yeah, so now Angelina and I are going to go do a couple of more things, and I'll catch up with you guys a little bit later. All right, everybody, so I made it back from Bath and Body Works, and I'm going to show you guys my small haul, very small. I ended up spending, for everything that I got here, I ended up spending just about $66 and some change for all of this stuff. So I really went for my bath wash. I love the shower gels from Bath and Body Works, so I wanted to kind of get some stock up on those while they were at a good price. And so these were like $3.75 for some, and others were like 50% off. So that's a really, really good deal. So let me show you what I got. One that I was really happy to see that they had in stock was the Dark Kiss. As you all know, who are, if you're a Bath and Body Works fanatic like I am, the Dark Kiss is of course discontinued, and this was one that I used to buy all of the time, and they had some of these there, so I got one of those, and then I got one for myself. I really think I'm going to go back and get some more, because again, it is discontinued, and they had several there. I may end up going back and getting some more of these before the semi-annual sale ends. So I got 2 of those, and the rest of these, let's see, no, this one right here, this is a Sweet Pea is one that I have had before. I love it. It's another discontinued one. And the Watermelon Lemonade, I actually love this candle and room freshener scent as well, but I got that one as a shower gel. I love this one because it's just a nice, cool summer smell. It just smells really refreshing, and I love that. These right here I have not had before, but it smelled really good. The Twinkling Lights shower gel, Bahamas, I love that one, and the Beachfront Blanket, I love that one as well. So these were my favorite ones. Of course, they had several. I'm not really big on scents that smell like food, you know, like the watermelon and all of that, but this one right here, it's a classic, and I love it. I absolutely love this fragrance right here. But for the most part, I'm not really big on fragrances that smell like food, things like that. But those are the shower gels that I got. And then they had their hand soaps on sale as well. And of course, got my Watermelon Lemonade. Again, another one that I love. Then there's the Lakeside Afternoon. Had never smelled that one before. I like it. It's a nice, cool, refreshing smell as well. And then Beautiful Day. This is one I do love. It's a very, very nice fragrance. I love it. And then lastly, I got some room fresheners, and they didn't really have any of the room fresheners that I'm used to buying. And these were not a part of the semi-annual sale. These are 3 for $20. So I got a Mahogany Coconut. Never knew this even existed at Bath and Body Works, but I do like the smell of that one. I think that's a nice room fragrance. So I got that one. And then the Coconut Sandalwood, I got 2 of those. I really, really like this one. So if you all haven't noticed, I do love the smell of coconut, okay? I love the smell of coconut, and I love the taste of coconut. So this one smells so good that I just went on and got 2 of those. But yeah, that is it, guys. This is my haul from Bath and Body Works. I am so pleased. I think I am going to go back again, though, and get some of the Dark Kiss. Love that one. All right, that's it, you guys. Good morning. Today is June the 20th. Sunday, June the 20th. It is Father's Day today. So to all of the fathers out there, happy Father's Day to you. I know it's a belated happy Father's Day by the time you guys see this, but I pray that you guys had a fabulous Father's Day. And I'm going to make sure that my husband has a fabulous Father's Day. I am up early this morning. I'm getting ready to make him a Father's Day dinner. So we are going to have an array of delicious foods. We're going to have pork chops. We're going to have steak. We're going to have shrimp. We're going to have baked potatoes. I'm going to make me some cauliflower mash. He wants corn. He loves whole kernel corn. So I'm going to make him some of that. I'm going to do some dinner rolls. I'm just going to go all out and make him a fabulous meal. I'll let you guys see a little bit of what I'm going to make. I'm not going to have my camera out much today, but I'll let you guys see a little bit of the process. And then, of course, I'll let you guys see my final plate and my family's final plate as well. So I'm going to go ahead and get started with dinner. First, I've got to run to the store. There are a couple of things that I need to pick up from Kroger, just a couple of items. So I'm going to run to the store really quickly, then come back and get started with his Father's Day meal. So come along with me, guys. So far, this is what I've got. I've got T-bone steaks in here. I actually got 2 right there on top of each other. I'm getting ready to cut those up and put those in the oven to finish cooking. Then I've got my green beans over here. They're going, they're just about ready. Over here, these are pork chops. My husband wanted pork chops, so that's what he gets. Those are his pork chops. They're ready to go. In here, I have my cauliflower and bacon cheese bake. I have not cooked that yet. It's just hot and melty. And, and then I've got baked potatoes in the oven for my family. I'm not going to be eating those. And I've got one more thing I'm going to make, and that is the shrimp scampi, and I'll show that to you guys as soon as I get it going. But Father's Day dinner is going great so far, and it should be ready in another 30 minutes. And I just want to show you guys this really quick. What I usually like to do with the T-bone steak is I cut it off of the bone like this, and this is what I do with T-bone steaks and porterhouse steaks. I cut it off of the bone there and save that. I'm going to finish cooking that. Save that for later because there's still a lot of meat on that bone. So what I do is I cut the meat off of the bone, and then I cut the steaks into strips. Then I add my Kerrygold butter. I add whole cloves of garlic, as you can see there, and I add my rosemary. Then I'm going to put this in the oven at 350 degrees to let it finish cooking all the way through for about 20 minutes or less. This cooked pretty well, but yeah, you see how, I can't eat that. I'm going to put this back in the oven, or put this in the oven and let it finish cooking, and then when we're done, we have delicious, flavorful T-bone steaks. All right, everybody, this is the shrimp scampi. It is ready, so I'm now going to garnish it with some parsley there on top. It is ready, and all right, and dinner is complete for us. So I'm getting ready to plate up, and I'm going to show you guys our Father's Day plate. This is my husband's Father's Day plate. He's got a little bit of steak. He didn't want much steak, so he's got steak. He's got some shrimp scampi. He's got his green beans, baked potato, and he wanted pork chops, so pork chops is what he gets. This is his Father's Day plate. Happy Father's Day, dear. Love you. Enjoy. All right, and this is my keto plate. I've got my cauliflower bake with bacon and cheese, green beans, shrimp scampi, a pork chop, and a little bit of T-bone steak. This will be my Father's Day plate for